Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on DOOGEE Note 56 Pro. So first, go into the Wi-Fi settings by swiping from the top, then click and hold onto the Wi-Fi. Now disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. Now, next to your connected network, we will try to hit this gear, then disconnect and forget. Now just try once again connecting to the same network. I believe that was it. Now connect. If you have still any issues, then try restarting your phone and the router. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.